Hi everyone, good day. This is the first LC300 to be fully set up by PRS. First, we install full MODELLISTA body kit. Front chin, over fender, front over fender, rear, we replace also the rear spoiler, rear skirt, and also the muffler cutter. But we're going to replace it to the exhaust system coming soon already. Okay, for the big brakes, we use ALCON RC6, RC4 big brake kit. This is the rear big brake, the EPB, electronic power brake. See how beefy is it. Okay, for the front big brake, this is the front RC6 big brake. 6. Okay, for the rims and tires, we use 24-inch BRIXTON customized 3-piece forged wheels. See how nice the quality is. Wrapped in NITTO MT420V. No fake shit. See how nice the stance of the car. Flush. Feel free to message me here because stock is boring. By the way, we have another LC300 coming soon for a full upgrade also. Stay tuned. Stay safe always. Bye!